how to take a perfect portrait picture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, click on back camera and you will see. So if you want to take a portrait picture, so you will see, click on this portrait and you will see. So click on this icon, so you will select blue shadow studio, you will see. So after selecting, you will see click on screen, so take a picture, you will see perfect portrait picture is take. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can take a perfect portrait picture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.